For our next problem, we have 9x squared minus 1. As you might have noticed, this one looks a little bit different than the ones that we have been doing so far. This one only has x squared minus some number. This should give us a hint that we're going to use one of the formulas, okay? But notice here, have something x squared and then minus. That gives us a hint that we're going to use the difference of squares formula. Because we have something power 2 and then minus, okay? And the difference of square formula is as follows. Something power 2 minus something power 2, we could factor as a plus b times a minus b, okay? So let's start by putting each one as power 2. If you have noticed from the beginning, we have a 1 here. But remember, let me give you a little bit note here. That 1 to any power is always going to give us 1. For example, 1 power 2 give us 1. 1 power 4 give us 1. 1 power 5 give us 1. So I could rewrite 9x squared minus 1 as 1. I could rewrite it as 1 squared. But notice, we need to have something power 2 minus something power 2. In this case, only one of the terms is power 2, not the 9. These two things are together. So we need to rewrite 9 as some number to the power of 2, okay? And you might have noticed that 9 is simply 3 multiplied by 3. That also means 3 to the power of 2. Okay, so 9, I could rewrite it as 3 squared, bring down the x squared, and then bring down the 1 squared. Now, notice that each one has a power 2. Our formula requires only one thing to the power of 2. But in here, we can make these two things having only one power because they both share the same number. In this case, it's 2. So I could rewrite both inside a parenthesis and with the number that they share, okay, which is 2 in this case. And then bring down the 1 power 2. Now we have something power 2 minus something power 2. And our formula is a squared minus b squared. So in this case, my a will be all of this, okay? Not only 3, not only x, but 3x, everything together. Because that's everything that is inside our parentheses. This one does not require parentheses because we only have one number. So 1 will represent our b from the formula. And a will be the whole 3x, okay? So if we follow the formula, something power 2 minus something power 2, our factorization will be a plus b, but my a is going to be what? 3x, and my b is going to be 1. Be careful, it's not negative 1, okay? It's that thing that is to the power of 2, in this case b. Multiplied by the same thing, right? But in this case, we change the plus sign with the minus sign. Or a minus b, so a will be 3x minus b. In b is 1. And that is going to be our final factorization.